Hi guys, this is Jitesh.
And this is Mom.
Now,
Let's learn the alphabets.
But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So, let's start learning.
This is the letter A. A. This is the letter B. B. This is the letter C. C. This is the letter D. D. This is the letter E. E. This is the letter F. This is the letter G. G. This is the letter H. H. This is the letter I. I. This is the letter J. J. This is the letter K. K. This is the letter L. L. This is the letter M. M. This is the letter N. N. This is the letter O. O. This is the letter P. P. This is the letter Q. Q. This is the letter R. R. This is the letter S. This is the letter T. T. This is the letter U. U. This is the letter V. V. This is the letter W. W. This is the letter X. X. This is the letter Y. Y. This is the letter Z. Z.